Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll look at how you can invest in ChatGPT AI stocks. So stay tuned until the end as we review 7 of the top stocks to buy right now to profit from the booming AI market. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy. Let's get started. ChatGPT, a brand new artificial intelligence app, has rapidly gained popularity since OpenAI made it available to everyone a month ago. It is a cutting-edge technology with numerous implications for the years to come. Artificial intelligence has already shown how useful it can be in making works of art and doing everyday things like predicting what people will type on social media. ChatGPT can respond to any question or prompt just like a real person would, with detailed answers and extra information as needed. Most experts in the field agree that this device is a major step forward in the field of AI. Some people even think that this product has the potential to alter the business model and algorithm used by Google. In this video, we'll talk about ChatGPT and a few ways to invest in artificial intelligence, AI. What exactly is the point of ChatGPT? OpenAI, a business founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, has released its newest product, which is called ChatGPT. The underlying structure of the software is OpenAI's GPT 3.5 language mode, which is an improved version of the model that was made available in the year 2020. The software allows users to pose a query, make a request, or receive a prompt. After that, the ChatGPT will react the same way a person would. People have been using this tool to generate opening messages for dating apps, write poems, and do a variety of other creative things. You can use the ChatGPT for both fun and practical reasons, such as asking follow-up questions or even providing the software with complex instructions to carry out. Companies such as Microsoft have contributed $1 billion to OpenAI's overall funding. It has said on multiple occasions that its primary focus is on developing AI that is safe for human use. In a recent presentation to investors, the company said it expected to make $200 million in sales in 2023 and $1 billion a year by 2024. A recent estimate placed the value of OpenAI at $20 billion. At the moment, they make money by charging companies that produce software licensing fees for using their technology. Recently, we took a look at how OpenAI published DALL-E 2, a program that can convert any prompt into art that was created by artificial intelligence. Because of these two technologies, the landscape of various businesses can now be changed because it is now possible to create content and art with only a few prompts. This alone is enough to change the landscape of multiple sectors. The product's disadvantages, according to some experts, include the possibility that it will occasionally provide incorrect information and produce biased content. The chief executive officer of OpenAI, Sam Altman, had raised concerns regarding these constraints in December of 2022. He said that the capabilities are very limited, but that it does some things so well that it gives the wrong impression that it is great. It would be unwise to rely on it for anything significant right now, given the current state of affairs. It's a sneak peek at how far we've come, but we still have a lot of work to do to make sure ChatGPT is honest and reliable. What's the impact of ChatGPT? It is impossible to provide an accurate estimate of the overall impact because the technology was only made available a few weeks ago. Nevertheless, there are obvious repercussions that are, quite simply, indisputable. The way in which individuals look for things online is about to change. People should be worried that this newly developed technology could hurt Google and cause people to change how they search for things on the internet. The production of content will be simpler than it has ever been. It won't be long before we can read stories that have been written by AI software similar to this. This new piece of equipment will be a game changer that will have an effect on a wide variety of sectors. We will proceed to keep an eye on how the OpenAI tools are affecting things. Is it possible for you to invest in ChatGPT? Since ChatGPT has not yet gone public, you are unable to directly invest in the firm at this time, even if you are interested in doing so. If you are interested in making an investment in artificial intelligence, you should know that several publicly traded corporations are already making use of the technology and making significant investments in this market. If you're looking to invest directly in ChatGPT, you can't just yet since the company hasn't gone public. If you want to invest in AI, you should know that many publicly traded companies are using AI and putting a lot of money into this sector. What kinds of investments may you make in artificial intelligence? If you are interested in investing in the AI industry, the following companies have stocks that are worth checking into. First up, we have Lemonade, stock ticker, LMND. This is the very first insurance company in the world to use AI technology to power its operations, from the acquisition of insurance coverage to the management of insurance claims. Maya, an artificial intelligence-driven bot, is in charge of customer support as well as every other part of the business. Next up, we have Amazon, stock ticker, AMZN. It is surprising to see how much AI is used in every part of Amazon's business. Amazon's AI can make personalized product recommendations to customers. The company's fulfillment centers use both people and small robots to move packages around the warehouse. The robots are controlled by artificial intelligence. In addition, Amazon operates Amazon Fresh and Amazon Go locations, both of which have a payment system called Just Walk Out. In addition to that, you have Alexa, which is present in millions of homes, and the Amazon Web Services platform, which is responsible for hosting a variety of streaming services. Next up, Tesla, stock ticker, TSLA. At Tesla, AI has its own full day, and the company is actively looking for the best professionals in the field. The company has been working hard to make a humanoid robot, which is still in its early stages. They are also working on developing a robot taxi service that would allow car owners to make money off of their vehicles even while they are asleep. Up next, Meta Platforms Incorporated, stock ticker, META. Everything on Meta is powered by AI, including your news feed and the algorithm that determines which advertisements you see. In addition, it is home to the Meta AI Lab, where researchers are working on making breakthroughs that could help people who have had brain injuries recover their speech by reading their brain activity. Even though it may appear as though Meta can read your mind, it would be a groundbreaking achievement for them to one day be able to read your brainwaves. Next up, C3.ai, stock ticker, AI. C3.ai provides what is known as enterprise AI, which consists of AI apps that have been developed specifically for your company if you are trying to go completely digital. They assist companies in achieving successful completion of digital transformations to the cloud. AI technologies are helpful in a variety of areas, including enhancing the safety of employees as well as the operations of the organization. Next up, Alphabet Incorporated, stock ticker, GOOG. It isn't hard to see why artificial intelligence is so important to Google, but it's still important to point out that Alphabet, Google's parent firm, is one of the most innovative research companies in this sector. AI takes care of day-to-day tasks like filtering search suggestions and giving us more options for how to organize our photos. In an interesting turn of events, Google executives recently said that the company has no plans to launch a competing tool because they would face reputational dangers if they did. A startup, on the other hand, would not have to worry about such problems. Because Google is used by more than 1 billion people every day, the company is careful not to broadcast inaccurate information. Next up, NVIDIA, stock ticker, NVDA. Leading graphics chip company NVIDIA has taken advantage of the AI boom, with its graphics cards becoming the de facto standard in data centers around the world. Machine learning's training phase demands a lot of computing power. The phase that follows, the inference phase, requires less. NVIDIA's data center business represents a steadily increasing share of the company's total revenue and looks set to top gaming in revenue in fiscal 2022. This segment isn't all AI related. NVIDIA's graphics cards are used to accelerate a wide variety of data center applications. But AI is one of the driving forces behind the company's growth. Self-driving cars are another area of focus. NVIDIA develops platforms, including hardware and software, that can power driver assistance features, as well as fully autonomous driving. A self-driving car must process massive amounts of data from multiple sensors and cameras in real time, detect objects such as pedestrians and other vehicles, and make complex decisions. They require a tremendous amount of computing power, and that's exactly what NVIDIA's platform delivers. NVIDIA's graphics cards could someday be supplanted by more specialized processors designed for AI, but for now, the company is in an enviable position. How pervasive is artificial intelligence in everyday life? It is impossible to overstate how important artificial intelligence is since it is changing how business is done in every field. The importance of artificial intelligence can't be overstated since it's changing how every industry operates. With the possibility of self-driving cars that combine Airbnb and Uber along with advancements in the healthcare industry, AI is changing our daily lives. AI is being used by e-commerce platforms to make personalized product suggestions, and financial services companies have found ways to use AI to find fraud and reduce budgeting mistakes. Artificial intelligence is being used in college admissions departments for the management of admissions. Artificial intelligence makes it possible for computers to make decisions that used to require human input. Due to the fact that AI is able to handle difficult problems, automate processes, do data analysis, eliminate errors, and improve customer service, it is possible to conduct business with a company without ever having to speak to a real human. This concludes our video on how you can invest in AI stocks that will likely use ChatGPT. As always, it is essential to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned cash to buy stocks or invest in the market. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.